So one of the things that we have been talking about in the Beta Cell Project Discord has been to do with this particular molecule here. And for the sake of the algorithm and making sure that this doesn't get misinterpreted, I'm not going to actually say this word, but I just need you to read along, okay? This is an article I just wrote going over all of the things that I discovered about the health benefits of this. And you can find that article here. And in going through the research citations and references, I found some very interesting literature, and I thought that you all would love to see it. So, like I said, not actually going to say any of it, I just need you to read it. Okay, by sheer title alone, it's like, what the fuck is going on here? And you may be hesitant to, give it credibility. But then you look and see who funded it and the year that it was published. This has been around for a long time. So in my reading, it turns out that this particular substance is an alkaloid. And alkaloids are known for their antioxidant properties in the body. There are some famous ones in the world of diabetes. Berberine is one of them. Caffeine is one of them. Capsaicin in cayenne pepper and quinine in tonic water. So this is in good company, but let's just see how they were going about it. So being that this has been shown to have immunosuppressive actions, and type 1 diabetes being of an immune origin, they hypothesized that that may have a protective effect against diabetes. And they used two different models of diabetes in mice. So they did low dose streptozotocin, which is basically creating inflammation in the animal that is targeted towards beta cells. So their beta cells eventually die off. And the NOD, the non-obese diabetic mouse line, is one where through genetics alone, they develop diabetes, I think somewhere between 6 and 8 weeks of life. And wouldn't you know it, that treatment with that particular plant compound reduced hyperglycemia and the incidence of type 1 in both the drug-induced and the genetic mouse models of diabetes. It also protected against diabetes-induced decreases in insulin content. It had a targeted impact on decreasing specific inflammatory markers tied with disease development. And they tie its impacts to its impact on those inflammatory markers. It actually turns the markers from pro-inflammatory to anti-inflammatory. Say what?